श्रीगणेशाय नमः। भीमरूपी महारुद्रा वज्र हनुमान मारुति, वनारी अंजनी सूता रामदूता प्रभंजना।
O Lord Hanuman, you are mighty, that is Bhimarup, great Rudra, that's Maharudra, son of Vayu, that is Maruti, a great ascetic, son of Mother Anjani, messenger of Lord Ramachandra, and complete destroyer of calamities, that is Prabhanjan.
महाबळी प्राणदाता सकळा उठवी बळे, सौख्यकारी दुःखहर्ता धूर्त वैष्णव गायका.
O Lord Hanuman, you are incredibly strong, that is Mahabali, and giver of life force, that is Pranadata. You forcefully awaken those who are asleep, that is the sleep of delusion. You bestow happiness upon people and remove their sufferings. You are clever, that is Dhurta, and you are the one who always sings the praise of Lord Vishnu.
दीनानाथा हरिरूपा सुंदरा जगदांतरा, पाताल देवता हंता भव्य सिंदूरलेपना.
O Lord Hanuman, you are the Lord of the poor, Dinanath, embodied with Lord Hari, Hari-Roop, extremely beautiful and present in the hearts of all beings in the universe. You killed Ahiravan and Mahiravan, the Rakshasa, that is demons, of the underworld, that's Patal. After applying vermilion, that is Sindoor, all over your body, you look magnificent.
लोकनाथा जगन्नाथा प्राणनाथा पुरातना, पुण्यवंता पुण्यशीला पावना परितोषका.
O Lord Hanuman, you are the Lord of the people, Lokanath, Lord of the universe, that is Jagannath, and Lord of life force, that is Prananath. You are extremely ancient, that is Puratan. You are virtuous, that is Punyavanta, righteous and meritorious, that's Punyashil, and pure, blissful, and you fulfill the desires of your devotees.
ध्वजांगे उचली बाहो आवेशे लोटिला पुढे, काळाग्नी काळ रुद्राग्नी देखता कापती भये.
O Lord Hanuman, holding the victorious flag of Ramachandra in your hand, you marched ahead of the entire army with great enthusiasm. Seeing your fierce form, that is Rudra, even Kalagni, that is fire, which ends time, meaning who causes death, and Kal Rudra Agni, meaning beholder of the fire of time, that is Lord of death, meaning Yamaraj, tremble with fear, thinking they will perish.
ब्रह्मांडे माईले नेणू आवळे दंतपंगती, नेत्राग्नी चालिल्या ज्वाळा भृकुटी ताटिल्या बळे.
O Lord Hanuman, in the heat of battle, when you gnash your teeth in rage, it seems as if the entire universe will fit inside your mouth. When you clench your jaws in anger, it appears as if red flames are bursting forth from your furious eyes.
उच्छदे मुरडिले माथा किरीटी कुंडले वरी, सुवर्ण कटिका सोटी घंटा किणकिण नागरा.
O Lord Hanuman, you have neatly curled your tail and placed it near your head. Against the backdrop of this tail, the crown on your head and the earrings in your ears look resplendent. A golden loincloth shines at your waist, while the bells in the anklets on your feet tinkle melodiously as you move.
ठकारे पर्वता ऐसा नेठका सडपातळू, चपळांग पाहता मोठे महाविद्युल्लते परी.
O Lord Hanuman, you are originally slender with a body proportionate and well structured. However, when you assume a colossal form during battle, it seems as if a mountain has stood before us. Your body, though huge in size, is agile like a lightning bolt.
कोटीच्या कोटी उड्डाणे झेपावे उत्तरेकडे, मंदाद्री सारिखा द्रोणु क्रोधे उत्पाटिला बळे.
There are countless instances of your aerial exploits in your divine plays, and they are various kinds. Especially when Lakshman fell unconscious, you leaped towards the north, and in the fit of rage, you uprooted the entire Dronagiri mountain like Mount Mandara, which is a truly astonishing episode in your life.
आणिला मागुती नेला आला गेला मनोगती. मनासी टाकिले मागे गतीसी तुलनानसे.
O Lord Hanuman, the astonishing thing is that you brought the Dronagiri mountain back to its original place in the north after retrieving it from Lanka. You travelled north twice with the speed of mine. In fact, those who have seen your speed will realize that it surpasses even the mine, leaving it behind. Therefore, there is no object in the world that can be compared to your speed.
अणुपासून ब्रह्मांडा एवढा होत जातसे. तयासी तुलना कोठे मेरु मांदार धाकुटे.
O Lord Hanuman, you grow from being minuscule as an atom to becoming as vast as the universe. Your enormous form is incomparable. The famous Meru and Mandar mountains, renowned for their grandeur and size, appear tiny in front of your vastness.
ब्रह्मांडा भोवते वेढे वज्रपुच्छे घलू शके. तयासी तुलना कैसी ब्रह्मांडी पाहतानसे.
O Lord Hanuman, your mighty tail can grow so long that it can encircle the entire universe. In such a state, there is no one in the entire universe who can be compared to your tail. Your mighty tail is truly unparalleled.
आरक्त देखिले डोळा ग्रासिले सूर्यमंडळा. वाढता वाढता वाढे भेदिले शून्यमंडळा.
O Lord Hanuman, when you were just newborn and when your mother Anjani left you in the cradle and went out, you saw the red colored sun and thought it was a fruit. So you took off and engulfed it to swallow it. In effort to swallow the sun, you had to grow enormous. As you grew, you engulfed the entire solar system.
धनधान्य पशुवृद्धि पुत्र पौत्र समग्रही. पावती रूप विद्यादि स्तोत्र पाठे करोनिया.
Chanting this sacred stotra brings forth abundance in all forms, prosperity, nourishment, and riches to the one who recites it with devotion. Their life is filled with the joys of family, longevity, and the gifts of beauty, wisdom, and well-being.
भूत प्रेत संबंधादि रोग व्याधि समस्तहि. नासती तूटती चिंता आनंदे भीमदर्शने.
O Lord Hanuman, the benefit of your magnificent vision is so extraordinary that it eradicates all physical and mental ailments, all kinds of worries, and even the troubles caused by ghosts, spirits, and evil forces, granting the devotee eternal joy and bliss.
हे धरा पंधरा श्लोकी लाभली शोभली भली. दृढदेवो निसंदेवो संख्या चंद्रकळा गुणे.
O Lord Hanuman, these 15 verses are like the 15 phases of the moon, from new moon to full moon. The hymn composed of these 15 verses has been very beneficial for us, making our bodies strong and our minds fearless.
रामदासी अग्रगण्यु कपिकुळासि मंडणु. रामरूपी अंतरात्मा दर्शने दोषनासति.
O Lord Hanuman, you are the greatest among all devotees of Lord Ram. You have brought honor to the Vanar community. You are the embodiment of Shri Ram and reside in the hearts of all. Your presence eliminates all flaws and imperfections.
इति श्री रामदास कृत संकट निरसन मारुति स्तोत्रम संपूर्णम.
Thus the Maruti Stotra, composed by the capable Sri Ramadas Swami and capable of removing all calamities, comes to an end here.
श्रीसीतारामचन्द्रार्पणमस्तु।
श्री रामचंद्रार्पणमस्तु।